So what this is now about 2.5, 3 hours after the operation,
Okay.
which was, we did a 3-level lumbar decompression and a stabilisation. We removed that facet joint cyst. The pain that you had before was
I'm not in pain. My only pain at the moment is unrelated. It's my left
the
leg.
left knee, which is different.
Yep, different.
But that pain that you were getting down your right leg,
Yeah, no, it's not me.
and how do you feel posture-wise?
No, I feel fine. I've got to be careful about my posture, don't I?
Yeah.
Because I've caused that stenosis myself, probably.
But do you feel straighter now?
I don't know yet.
Can I see you having a walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Oh, you're walking really well. Perfect.
I can't really judge that. But
Oh yeah. Well, I can tell you, you're looking straighter, which is fantastic. Good. So you'll be going home shortly,
Yeah.
and we will see you in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah.